In the dynamic landscape of automotive technology, adaptation is not just a choice, but a necessity. As we stand at the forefront of innovation, embracing the electrified future of mobility, investing in skills transformation becomes paramount. Over the past 2 years, from 2022 to 2023, we have embarked on a journey of knowledge dissemination and empowerment, training a cohort of 1,550 engineers in the specialized techniques essential for hybrid vehicles. This investment in expertise is not merely about staying ahead of the curve, it's about shaping the future of automotive engineering. But our commitment to skill enhancement doesn't stop there. In 2023 alone, over 2,000 colleagues undertook e-learning modules focused on hybrid and high-voltage awareness. This proactive approach not only ensures the safety and proficiency of our workforce, but also fosters a culture of continuous learning and innovation. Yet, this initiative represents just a fraction of our broader commitment to skills transformation. It stands as a testament to our unwavering dedication to excellence and our recognition of the pivotal role that knowledge plays in driving progress. As we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of automotive technology, we remain steadfast in our pursuit of mastery, equipped with the skills, knowledge, and determination to lead the charge towards a sustainable and electrifying future. Together, we are not just adapting to change, we are shaping it, one skill at a time. Today, Bentley takes another leap forward in the pursuit of automotive personalization with the unveiling of 15 captivating satin paint finishes, adding a new dimension to the art of tailoring automotive masterpieces. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail at Bentley's Dream Factory in Crewe, England, each satin finish embodies the culmination of unrivaled expertise and passion for perfection. From the timeless allure of anthracite satin to the vibrant intensity of orange flame satin, the expanded palette offers a spectrum of possibilities, ensuring that every Bentley reflects the unique tastes and preferences of its discerning owner. What sets satin paint finishes apart is not just their captivating hues, but the way they interact with light, creating a mesmerizing play of shadows and highlights that accentuate the elegant lines and contours of Bentley's iconic designs. Unlike gloss finishes, which reflect light, satin paints scatter light particles across the surface, lending an understated yet distinct character to each car. But the journey to achieve such unparalleled sophistication is no simple task. It involves over 55 hours of painstaking craftsmanship, with skilled artisans hand-applying layers of clear lacquer to achieve the perfect satin sheen. Every step, from the initial hand sanding to the final inspection by Bentley's production quality team, is a testament to the brand's unwavering commitment to excellence. The significance of this expansion extends beyond mere customization. It represents Bentley's dedication to empowering its customers to truly express their individuality. Whether it's the classic elegance of British racing green satin or the avant-garde allure of extreme silver satin, each color tells a story and reflects the unique personality of its owner. Furthermore, for those seeking the ultimate in exclusivity, Bentley's in-house bespoke division, Mulliner, offers the opportunity to commission entirely unique satin paint finishes, ensuring that every Bentley is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. The availability of these satin paint finishes across Bentley's entire product range, including the Continental GT, Bentayga, and Flying Spur, as well as the newly announced Mulliner Batour convertible, opens up a world of possibilities for enthusiasts and connoisseurs alike. As we embark on this journey of exploration and self-expression, we invite you to discover the allure of Bentley's satin paint finishes, a testament to craftsmanship, innovation, and the limitless pursuit of automotive perfection. With each stroke of the brush, A new chapter in the story of Bentley unfolds, a story of luxury, individuality, and the relentless pursuit of automotive excellence. Welcome to the world of Bentley Satin.